Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make corner to corner C2C stitch. Okay, this is a washcloth, or you can say it's a dishcloth, and I have made this one with the corner to corner stitch, C2C stitch. Okay, so in this video I'll teach you how to make C2C stitch, and in the next video we will make a dishcloth or washcloth together. Okay, so I'm using 3.5 mm crochet hook and 4 ply yarn, and starting with a magic loop. It's also called magic circle, and if you don't know crochet basics, I have made a detailed video on crochet basics. By watching that video you will learn how to make magic circle, how to make basic chain, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and triple crochet. So now step 1, chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yarn over. Okay, and now I'm skipping the first 3 chains and inserting the hook in 4th chain. Pull the thread. See, we have 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over from 2 loops and yarn over from the other 2 loops, and this is called double crochet. So let me repeat, we have to make 6 chains to start. Then in the 4th chain we will make a double crochet, and also in the 5th chain double crochet, and the 6th chain. That was the first step. Okay, so why this stitch is called corner to corner stitch? Because it starts from the corner and it ends from to the other corner. Okay, when I made this dishcloth I have started from here and here, and that was the start. Now turn the work and 6 chains again. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now double crochet in 4th chain, again double crochet in the 5th chain, and double crochet in 6th chain. Okay, see, here we have like 4 double crochets in front of us, basically 3 double crochets, and these are chains. So 1 2 3, skip these 3 stitches and insert the crochet hook in the last loop here and make a slip knot like this. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, double crochet, again 1 more double crochet, and 1 more double crochet. See, that was the step 2. Okay, now again turn the work like this and chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Same step, double crochet in the 4th chain, double crochet in the 5th chain, and double crochet in the 6th chain. See this loop, insert the crochet hook and make a slip knot like this. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, and 3 double crochet in here. 1 2 3. See, now again this loop, like skip these double crochets, and in the last loop between last double crochet and chains, here insert the crochet hook and slip knot like this. Chain 3 and 3 double crochets in here. 1 2 and 3. Okay, now you know how to start corner to corner stitch and how to increase this one step by step. Now I'll show you how to decrease this stitch to make a proper square. On this part we will decrease the stitches. Turn the work and insert the crochet hook in the top of double crochets here and make a slip knot. 1, 2, and last slip knot in the stitch 3 here. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3. Now here this loop, okay, insert the crochet hook here and make a slip knot. Chain 3, 2, 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now here slip knot again, turn the work, insert the crochet hook in the top of double crochets and start making slip knots in each stitch. Here slip knot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, like this. Now insert the crochet hook here and make a slip knot, turn the work. This is the last set of stitch and we'll make slip knots in all these stitches to give it a finished look. Here, see, corner to, that's how we crochet corner to corner stitch, because we start from the corner and we end at the corner. Okay, that's how it looks. And this is the thing which I made with corner to corner stitch.